Hey guys, real quick video on insurance and what we're seeing a lot with insurance claims and clients that have damage to their home. They're still out there trying to get bids. They're looking at companies as though they're factoring in the price. That's not what insurance does. So insurance basically is going to give you a check up front. That's going to be like a current value. So depending on age, situation, current material that's up there, they're going to cut you a check for 40%, 50%, 70% of what the job should actually take according to current market prices. If you're holding onto that check and you're saying, I'm going to hire a contractor that can get it done for this, you are going to be scraping the bottom barrel and cutting corners and potentially running into insurance fraud, because you're going to be running into a roof that's really poorly done. Next time you have an issue and a leak, which you probably will, it's not going to be covered because you've just cut a lot of corners. You've really tried to get a $10,000 roof done for $5,600, and I would hope that would sound like a really bad idea to most people. So what you want to do in this process, instead of looking at bids and calling contractors saying how much to get, it doesn't even matter. The way insurance works is, if you're with a decent company, they're going to come in and say, this is what we can do for you, this is how it works, this is our warranty, this is our process, this is what we offer, and we can do it for your deductible. And that's really where everyone just becomes equal on price then. Price no longer matters. Now for us, if you wanted to upgrade, you wanted to put on a stone-coated metal roof, or you wanted to do a synthetic, or you wanted, whatever it is you might want to do, of course you can upgrade from that, but we're going to be able to get you into an architectural shingle for your deductible. That's the same as everyone else. Your job at this point no longer is to price shop and get quotes. It's to interview companies and say, I like what you offer. I like the fact that you offer a lifetime workmanship warranty. I like the fact that you come back and do yearly inspections. I like the fact that your work is backed by a $20,000 guarantee. I like the fact that you use company cam on every project, which means that you're taking pictures throughout and you're going to give me that file so I can actually see what's going on my roof, whether I'm there or not. So that's where you're looking to differentiate. Those are things we do. Those are things that we think set us apart and hopefully bring some value to homeowners. But you're no longer looking at a quote. You're no longer looking at price. You're no longer looking at who can save me $100, because your deductible is what you should pay. Insurance fraud's on the other end of that. So if someone says they're going to eat your deductible, and that's where you start seeing the difference. Like, I saved $1,000 and you risked a $15,000 penalty and 5 years in prison. Probably not a good trade-off. I'm just going to give you some quick legal advice. Avoid insurance fraud. So if you're looking through this process, please do it on the up and up. Just hire the contractor that you sit down with and say, you know what, I like what they offer, I like what they bring, I like how they're a little bit different. And at the end of the day, pay your deductible. If you want to upgrade to some kind of premium product, go for it. But effectively, everyone costs the same. Hire who you trust, hire who you think is going to do a good job and is going to stand by their work. That's it. See you guys soon.